Welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today we are going to talk about how to take care of our honeybees. Honeybees are very useful in our farming. With the good presence of a honeybee, the pollination in our crop will be very good, and that will result in around 15 to 20% higher yield in any of our crop. So it is very important to maintain our honeybee in a healthy condition. Now, to maintain this honeybee, we simply need to make its box clean so that hygiene condition is maintained and it will maintain the very good health of our bees. So today in this video, I am going to demonstrate you how to open this box and clean this box. We will also see whether any honey is produced or not. So let us watch how to take care of this honeybee box. Now these are the Serrna Indica variety of this honeybee, and this is the box which we have established in February. Now for cleaning this box, first we need to take some precautions. In that precaution, I have taken this full sleeve clothes. I am going to use hand gloves. I am going to use a cloth to clean this, and I am going to use this veil to protect my face. The safety is first. So once I take all this safety measure, then I will clean this box. So let us start with having a safety first. So I will put on my veil. Like this, and will cover it from the neck so bees cannot enter into that. Then I will be wearing these gloves and start opening this box. So now I have wear all the safety equipment, and now to clean this box we need to start from opening this box. So first we'll open this box. So for that we need to take out the top cover. So we are removing all this from the top and open this box carefully, and you can see the lot of bees over there. So we'll put this box aside carefully. Then we are going to remove this plate. This is a top cover plate. We must take care that we do all the work very slowly, so the bee will not get excited and attack. So this is the stage 2. Now we can see that this is the honey box and below is their colony. So we'll remove this honey box, and you can see that lot of the honeycomb is there. So these bees have started collecting the honey. So we'll take this carefully. We need to carefully open this without disturbing the bees much. So we are just taking this up. You can see that bees are excited, so we will wait for a few minutes. We are carefully opening this now, and you can see that lot of honeycomb is there, and they have started collecting the honey also. But right now we are just cleaning it. So removing this box from there, putting aside. So next we have to open this colony. So we carefully again open this colony. Simply we need to take this off. So now we need to open this colony box. So we'll first carefully separate this out. We need to be very careful. Any jerk or strong movement will activate all these bees and give them indication to unsafe condition. So it will attack. So we are just separating this box out like this. So now we have separated from this side. We are also going to separate it from the other side also. And now we can open this. So we'll carefully lift this So after cleaning, we are just closing this box. So again we need to be careful while putting this box back like this. Then again we are going to put this cover. On the top, and then last the box will cover it. So this is how we need to clean this box periodically every 15 days. Once we finish the procedure for cleaning, we can again tie up with the rope. So this is the rope what we have. We'll just tie this with the help of rope. So the box, if fell down, the bees will not, hive will not get separated out. So this is a simple procedure we need to follow, and with this we can keep our bees very healthy and productive. We can take the honey in the summer months for 2 or 3 times, but right now we are not taking honey, we are only maintaining these bees. At the end, we must fill this bucket with the water so that the small insect cannot reach to our hive and our bees are safe from that. So we just simply make these things straighter like this. So how do you like the process of cleaning this bee box like this? Write me back into the comment, and if you like my video, please give me the thumb. And if you are planning to keep the beehives, keep it regularly clean so that bees remains clean, healthy and productive. Happy growing!